Hello everyone, myself Harsha Gwalani. Today we will discuss about morphine. Have a look on contents. Introduction, isolation, properties, determination of structure of morphine. Number 1. Introduction. Simply, morphine is a morphine and alkaloids which directly acts on a central nervous system to relieve pain but has a high potential for addiction. Morphine was first alkaloid to be isolated from certainal plant in 1806. Codeine and thebaine are two closely related alkaloids to morphine which form a subgroup of opium alkaloids. Number 2. Isolation. For the extraction of morphine, some steps are followed, in which first one is raw opium extracted with dichloromethane. In this step, the other alkaloid, that is papaverine and narcotin alkaloids, dissolve in dichloromethane, whereas the morphine and other substances remain insoluble in residue. At last, the dichloromethane layer is separated. In next step, the residue is treated with lime water. The residue is treated with lime water below 20 degrees Celsius, in which the codeine and thebaine are separated by the benzene. Then the pH of residue is raised at 8 and crude morphine is obtained in precipitate form. In third step, the crude morphine is treated with diluted HCl. The crude morphine is dissolved in diluted HCl and filtered through alcohol. Then filtrate is neutralized with ammonia, followed by the addition of alcohol, which gives morphine. Properties. Morphine has molecular formula C17H19O3N. Morphine is a colorless prismatic substance which melts at 247 degrees Celsius. It is bitter in taste and has lever rotatory in specific rotation of 131 degree. Morphine acts as a monoacid base and forms well-defined salts with acid. Morphine also used in medicines in its chloride form. Here it is structure. Morphine consists of 3 rings with 2 OH groups, 1 NH and CH3 group, and with ether linkage. In next, general methods to determine the structure of morphine. First, we will see the nature of nitrogen atom. To confirm the presence of nitrogen in compound, we treat it with methyl iodide. When morphine is added to 1 mole of methyl iodide, it forms quaternary salt, which confirms that morphine contains tertiary nitrogen atom. Number 2 is oxygen atom. Morphine, when isolated or benzolated, yields the diacetyl or benzoyl derivative, indicating that morphine contains 2 hydroxyl group. Here are 2 reactions. In first reaction, morphine is acylated. That is, the 2 hydroxyl groups are converted in diacetyl group to form diacetyl morphine in presence of acetyl chloride. In second step, the morphine is converted to dibenzoyl morphine in presence of benzoyl chloride. Number 3, presence of ethylenic bond. When codeine, that is methylated morphine, is reduced catalytically in presence of palladium takes up 1 molecule of hydrogen, suggesting that morphine contains 1 ethylenic bond. The next is presence of benzene nucleus. Morphine, when brominated, yields a mono-bromo derivative with evolution of molecule of hydrogen bromide, suggesting that morphine possesses a benzene nucleus. At last, the position of oxygen atom. When morphenol is fused with potassium hydroxide, it yields 3,4,5 trihydroxypenethrin, and also when morphenol, when reduced with sodium and ethanol, yields morphenol. This reaction confirms that morphenol contains an ether linkage in position of 4,3 of the penethrin nucleus. Thank you.